The beauty of protective hairstyles, which is a staple in the black community and is popular among men and women. Now let's get into the reason why we're here. We are going to be entering 2024 in a few minutes from now, and please, I want us to pick up this new habit of learning to clean your scalp while in a protective style. Please, you do know that when you don't clean your scalp for an extended period of time, all that sweat and products that just gradually build up on your hair leaves a smell, and it can leave a really nasty smell on some people. You don't want to be walking around with smelly hair. Please, we're leaving that behind in 2023. And also, treat your hair as a plant. You need to take care of your hair. You need to baby your hair. And let me tell you, once you do that, your hair will have a healthy soil to grow out from. So I really do hope that this video is very self-explanatory, because I also want to tell you guys like a short story. If you do not understand anything that I'm doing in this video, please do not hesitate to tell me in the comment section. When I was younger, my mom used to be the one to take care of my hair, and she always relaxed my hair from the slightest new growth that she feels on my hair. Like literally, because my hair couldn't pass through a comb, my hair was breaking combs, and she was not the patient type to start combing from the tip. She literally starts from the roots of my hair, and it was never actually a good experience to let her just handle my hair. So I had to take matters into my own hand and just go natural. I first tried being Texlax, but and again, my mom decided that this hair was not working for her and relaxed my hair again. So I was just like, I'm going to be the only one taking care of my hair. Until this day, I do not let her touch my hair. She doesn't like natural hair, but it's my life, not hers. Okay, see you guys later. Let me know if you can relate as well.